So a first insight into our first project is the conservatory, which we actually didn't expect to be our first project. However, we've just removed all of the Christmas decorations. You will really honestly have to excuse my voice. And we are turning this into a bit more of a living/play area for now. Basically, we're polishing the turd. We've ordered carpet. So that is being fitted on Monday. So our plan today was to de-Christmas, give everywhere a lick of paint. And I have gone for Ammonite. We actually use Valspar, so we have colour matches. I can't justify Farrow and Ball prices, certainly not whilst we're polishing a turd. So it's had one coat on this wall, which you can see. It's looking rather patchy as it dries, so it's probably going to need two. And then, yeah, we've got like a nice little cream carpet that's coming down. There's an aircon unit over there, which works. We've got a heater here. And then we've got this fireplace from our old house, which is going to sit in that corner. I think we've got a nice tile to put it on. This whole conservatory needs a lot of work. It's definitely moved over the years. All the glass is blown. It's seen better days, so it will be replaced at some point for something else, but it's not a priority. What we would like to do is get this area a bit more livable. I think I'm going to lose my voice. So yeah, we really like to get this area a bit more livable so we can spend a bit more time here. It's going to be more of like a playroom kind of place. And we're right in the garden. The river, which you can't see, is just down here. So we've got major plans for the garden as well. That little fence, originally, before this house, so this house was rented. Before it was rented, they had a big decking area, so the house actually extends past that fence. And they had a big deck area, but they got rid of it, and I'm presuming it's because they were renting. And it's been rented, I think, for 4 years, so it's not in the best condition. It definitely needs a lot of work. It's a 1990s house, so we've got lots of lovely 1990s features. However, I do agree that it was the best decade. 90s baby over here. And yeah, so we, like I say, we didn't plan on doing anything with the conservatory, but we've actually realised we've been here now for almost 3 weeks, and we're realising that actually, no, we haven't, 2 weeks. Anyway, we've realised that actually this is going to be quite a livable space and a space that we use quite often. So yeah, we've gone for polishing a turd, putting glitter on a pig, and just making it livable for now. So yes, we are in the middle of painting. I've done all down here. I would really like to have sanded back these God, what's the word, windowsills, but they're vinyl wrap, so that's not an option. So I've got to do here, as you can see, that's like a creamy colour. It's not that much different, but it's just a little bit warmer, and it goes with our sofa that we had in our old living room. We almost sold it, but we didn't when we realised we were going to be moving. So yes, we're going to get some new blinds in here and just going to make it a livable space, all being done on a budget. But I'm excited. I've got a paintbrush back in my hand for the first time in over 12 months, and I feel at home. So yes, stay tuned for our little glitter on a pig project.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we
just finished our second coat in the conservatory. It's getting dark now, so you can't really see it very well, but I love this colour. It's like, it's just warm and just nice. Just got a little bit more to do down this end here because it's still wet from before, but the rest is doing okay. So once that's dry and we've painted that bit, we're going to get all of this out, including the beagles and the Christmas decorations that I've forgotten to put away, ready for the carpet. I'm going to say goodbye to these beautiful little tiles. Everyone that's come over to the house has said, oh my God, I love them. I'm like, really? They ain't staying. So yeah, as you can see, it's a really big space. It's so, I don't know, like before we bought it, I said to Matt, I was like, nah, I want to get rid of it. I want to get rid. And then he was like, no, Vic, it's going to be a really good area. And actually, we've used it quite a lot over Christmas, and we've got heaters and stuff in here, and yeah, so excited. We're probably going to regret having the carpet come summer, but it is, like I say, polishing a turd. It's an adhesive. It's a felt back with adhesive spray, so if we need to, we can just rip it straight back up. But we have got, albeit very old, but an aircon/heater. Heater, which is there, but it does live over there, and then our fireplace. So yeah, here she is. I don't know if I mentioned before, but this is Ammonite. What colour match of Ammonite? And I'm obsessed. I love it. It's just a really nice all-round colour. It's probably not doing it any justice in this light, but yeah, I'll show you tomorrow when we're on to phase 2.
Love, it keeps me high, keeps me high.
To our beautiful terracotta tiles. We've emptied most of the furniture out. As you can see, the sofa is currently on the table. We're going to empty this bit of sofa out in the morning because otherwise the dogs can't get to their bed. But we are cleaned, almost emptied, and ready to go. We're just debating which way the sofa goes because the sofa is quite big, but it is literally a temporary fix. However, crushing on this colour. I just love it. It is one of my favourites. It's like a proper all-rounder, and I just, yeah, obsessed. So yes, tomorrow morning we will get this out, get the carpet down. I'm off to work, and then come home and update you. The carpet's down. I'm not gonna lie, right? Matt sent me a photo today when I was at work. I've still got a really bad voice as well, and like my friend on my face. And he sent me a picture, and I was like, oh my God, that looks really weird. And he was like, yeah, I know. It was really strange. And then I come back and it just looks a totally different colour in here. But as the phrase is on this particular vlog, we are polishing a turd. And it's not looking bad. So I'm going to flip you around and show you. There's a lot of reality in here. We've literally just chucked the sofa back in with the old cushions. I need to clean it all. We need to get the toys in. We need to style it. We need to get rid of stuff. But you know what? I'm here for the reality. I know that's why you're here as well. So, yeah, let me flip you around and show you. Ta-da! Christmas shiz to put away. More Christmas shiz to put away. But here is, again, in the dark. Sorry, it's the only chance I get to film. Here is our carpeted conservatory. I know there's been a lot of, why the hell are you doing that, Vic? What are you going to put a carpet in the conservatory for? But I actually really like it. And I know it's not like Insta-worthy or anything like that at the moment. But for us, it's like a proper livable space. This is a space that we are going to use so much. So a few things about the conservatory. We actually had never tested these doors on any viewing. So this one doesn't open. Just will not open. That one does. So our visions of sitting here in the summer with the doors open, it's not going to happen. But like I say, down the line, this is all going. It has moved so much. Let me show you. See, like, those gaps here. And there. There's a big gap. You see there? Like, this is what I mean. It needs to go. I will try and show you this. So our garden is a mess at the moment. Can you see here? So there's our shed. And I do not know why on earth they put it there, because that's where the view is. And the plan is to flatten all of this bit, get rid of that fence, put beautiful decking, outdoor kitchen. Like, it's going to be stunning when we get around to it. But then we can sit here and actually, like, look out into the garden, look out onto the river, look out onto the view. So that's why we've done it. And yeah, for a cheap bit of carpet, £132 this carpet was. I'm actually really happy. I think it looks really nice. So yeah, we just need to move Ada's toys back in. There's still boxes everywhere, like, we're still unpacking. It's one of those things. We've only been in now for a few weeks. We're going to be surrounded by boxes for ages. But I'm going to start making this a little bit more homely. We've got our little fire here with this tile we actually bought for the old house. And Matt come back with it and I was like, what have you got that for? It's grey. We've got a cream carpet. No. So he brought it with us and it does the job for now. I don't really like the fire being in that corner, but it serves a purpose. This is an electric heater, so all the air comes around here, and it will also keep Ada warm while she's kind of playing all around here. And yes, I will show you the rest in the morning when you can actually see outside, and hopefully you can see my vision coming to life. Okay, here we are in the daytime. So obviously, haven't touched it since last night. I need to get some cushions, need to pretty all of this up. But, oh, we're joined by Bruce. Hiya, Bruce. Hi, Bruce. You like it in here, don't you, bud? Yeah. But it's just looking really nice. So, our vision. So, someone's got the zoomies. Our vision, obviously, this has just been plonked there since the day that we moved in. But our vision, really, for this room is to have somewhere to sit and look at the garden. So this here is the old veggie patch. That's going to get removed. As you can see, it's all falling apart. The shed, I don't know why you'd put a shed there. Like, it just blocks all the view. So we will flatten that and move that over here by the greenhouse. And then if I hang on, stand up here, you can see the river through the blown windows. So we will get rid of, it's not focusing, it's not going to show you, is it? But we will get rid of this fence and then extend. So our boundary goes to the river line, and there's already the footings in from the previous deck, so we will sort that hopefully soon. I've got some money stashed away for that, so it is something that I'm gonna, oh my life, look at the dog footprints. Oh, hello Amber, so you know. So yes, this will very much become like an indoor-outdoor room, sitting, looking at the garden, looking at the river. I just need to pretty it up, which, as you can probably tell, I'm still not feeling 100%, which is why I haven't done it yet. So, yeah, I'd be interested to know what you think. So my job this afternoon when I get home from work, as long as I'm still feeling all right, is to give everywhere a really good clean in here, sort the sofa. I can already see muddy dog prints on here. Clean the carpet, because apparently the dogs like to come in here quite a lot. And then just make it look a little bit more homely, but I will save that for my Instagram. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed my little glitter on a pig polishing the turd project. It certainly made a really nice space for us as a family, and I know certainly once like spring comes, it's a little bit warmer, I think we'll spend a lot of time in here. It's just nice to sit there, and if we open the door you can hear the river babbling, and oh, heaven, absolute heaven. I feel so lucky right now. But yeah, hope you enjoyed watching. My next vlog, I've got an upstairs tour, so full on tour showing you the ins and outs of every room and talking through the plans that we've made so far, which I'm really excited to show you in a bit more detail. And then I'm going to try and film a downstairs tour again, same thing, showing you like the ins and the outs and our plans, and yeah, talking through everything exciting that's going to happen. But I'm feeling really happy, like almost 3 weeks in, or no, just over 3 weeks in, and we've already done a little room, so it's very exciting. So if you love renovations, you love home interiors, you love budget DIY, you love creating a home, whatever it might be, please come and join along. I'll pop my Instagram and my TikTok on. I do post slightly different content over there, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of our updates. And yeah, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. I'm really excited for where this journey is going to take us, and I'm buzzing to have you all along here with me. So yeah, hope you have a really good day. I hope you're not feeling like I am. I'm going to go to work now. I'm making a massive vat of honey and lemon to get me through the day and hopefully save my voice. And until the next one, I'll see you soon. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.